Oh, I wouldn't go anywhere near him if I were you. He seems to have come down with a terrible case of explosions.
First, no, don't detonate.
Is that contagious?
Okay. I need to get that be a different ability. Oh, look at the cow. Go, buddy, go. Oh, you got this. What a hero.
Seriously, I don't want to catch that.
Cool. Can just drop them then. Okay. Alright, well, Dino's here. She got him.
I'm going to give the whole planet a terrible case of explosions.
Go, Dino. Rescue him. Why does she keep doing that? There she goes. Now she's been rescued.